Hello everybody, I'm Ashley Yepes, and I'm going to tell you about a character that I really admire, and he is the protagonist of the series Dexter's Laboratory. Dexter is a 10 years old genius boy. He has red hair, wears round glasses, purple gloves, and a lab coat and a black pants and shoes. He is a great engineer, inventor, and in addition to mastering chemistry and experimental sciences, as well has been dedicated and passionate about his work. He has a giant underground super laboratory, which is the most advanced of the planet, in which he made all his fantastic creations for giant metal-style robots as in all animes and all kinds of technological equipment, genetic experiments, and he also creates his own artificial intelligence, which he calls a computer, and which is practically his assistant, among many types of inventions. Also, he always has some kind of inconvenience thanks to the fact that his sister, Didi, who manages to infiltrate his lab, who is like the opposite of Dexter's personality, since she is very extrovert, spontaneous, curious, which is why she always wants to know what her brother's inventions are made for, and she is not very smart. In addition, despite Dexter's young age, he has achieved amazing things, and this potential that he has had since he was a baby continued about him even in his adult stage. And this is provided by this, probably the best invention of all, the time machine. He used it to ally himself with his adult version of different timelines to defeat Mander, or Cerebro in here Mexico. The first, when he is shy and works for his archenemy. The second, where his old world and the world is a happy place. And his last version that comes from an apocalyptic dimension, and this is a big muscular and he looks like the ones for action heroes. In other words, just thinking about the fact of traveling in time is great. It is more great to form a team with ourselves from other dimensions and to be able to achieve the perfect utopia in 50 years in your timeline. In addition to ending with all those problems that threaten the world, such as poverty, famine, and global warming. Whoa! And all thanks to his invention and creation throughout his life. I think he's practically the ideal dreamer and the highest achievement of any scientist in the world. Well, these are all reasons why Dexter is a character that I look up to. Although I'm not a genius girl, Dexter has inspired me to want to do my best and harness my potential to help people in order to make this better world. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.